Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question. 4x divided by 3x plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1 whole cube, which is equal to 1. And from this equation we will find values of x. So first of all we will apply this cube inside the bracket separately on numerator and denominator. So it will become 4x cube divided by 3x plus 1 whole cube minus, same case we will apply here. So it will become x minus 1 whole cube divided by, it will become 3x plus 1 whole cube, which is equal to 1. Now you can see that 3x plus 1 whole cube and 3x plus 1 whole cube are same. So we will multiply whole equation with 3x plus 1 whole cube to remove this denominator. So we will multiply whole equation with 3x plus 1 whole cube. So this multiplied by this will be equal to 3x plus 1 whole cube, and 3x plus 1 whole cube will be cancelled out and it will remain 4x cube minus, when 3x plus 1 whole cube multiply with x minus 1 whole cube divided by 3x plus 1 whole cube, so this and this will be cancelled out and we have remaining x minus 1 whole cube. And when it will multiply with 1, so it will become 3x plus 1 whole cube. So now you can see that here it is the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So it will become a minus b means 4x minus into x minus 1 into a square plus ab. A square means 4x square plus ab means 4x into x minus 1 plus b square means x minus 1 square, and it is equal to 3x plus 1 whole cube. So now we will simplify above equation. So it will become 4x minus into plus minus x minus into minus plus 1, and 4 squares means 16x square plus 4x into x will become 4x square plus minus minus 4x into 1 4x plus x square minus 2x plus 1, which is equal to 3x plus 1 whole cube. It is the form of a minus b whole square. So it will become 4x minus x is 3x plus 1, and here 16x square plus 4x square 20x square, and plus 1x square will become 21x square minus 4x and minus 6x 2x will become minus 6x plus 1, which is equal to 3x plus 1 whole cube. 3x plus 1 whole cube, and it will become negative when we'll change its position from equal side. So it will become minus 3x plus 1 into 21x square minus 6x plus 1, and it will be equal to 0. Now we can see that here we have 3x plus 1 and 3x plus 1 common in both terms. So we will take common 3x plus 1. So this divided by this will be equal to 3x plus 1 square, and this divided by this will be equal to 21x square minus 6x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So 3x plus 1 will remain same, and here we will apply a plus b whole square formula. So a square means 3x square, which will be equal to 9x square plus 2ab, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 1, 6x, plus b square means 1 square is 1, minus 21x square, minus into minus plus 6x, minus into plus minus 1, which is equal to 0. So 3x plus 1, 9x square minus 21x square will be equal to minus 12x square, and it will become plus 6x will become 12x, and this positive 1 and negative 1 will be cancelled out, and it will be equal to 0. So here we have 3x plus 1, and from these two terms we have 12x is common, so we will take 12x is common here. So this divided by this will be equal to minus x, plus this divided by this will be equal to 1, which is equal to 0. Now here we have three possible solutions to find the value of x, which are 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, or 12x is equal to 0, or minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have three cases. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, and 12x is equal to 0, and from here minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here it will be equal to 3x, which is equal to positive 1 will become negative 1, and from here we will divide both sides with 12, so x will be equal to 0. Similarly, we will divide 3 on both sides, so from here the value of x is equal to minus 1 divided by 3, and from here minus x is equal to minus 1, negative and negative will be cancelled out, so x is equal to 1. So x1 is equal to minus 1 divided by 3, x2 is equal to 0, and x3 is equal to 1. So these are the three values of x. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.